So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Those of you that are new and you are yet to subscribe, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now let's take a look at Solana USD for the day, right? But before we actually place this trade, let us understand the movement or the trend for this. So we can see that markets give us three movements, especially if you're a trader: uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a range market move. Those are the three levels or movements the markets play out. So once you zoom it out on this Solana, right, you will see that we are having a bearish move on Solana. Price has actually been dropping. I think price actually dropped to its lowest. It was not about last week when it was actually trading about $8. It actually got to its lowest since when I think it actually dropped massively. Anyway, Solana is now correcting itself, right? And we are currently trading at a level of 13. I believe by today we should actually close at a level of $14 or close to $15 if possible. If possible, we can hit a level of $15 today, but let's try and hit a level of $14. So if we take a look at this moment, let's see for this moment started on the 30th. I think that's on Friday, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today's Wednesday. No, let's count it back on. This for the 4th. This is Wednesday. This is Tuesday, right? This was on Monday and Sunday. So price give we started this movement since on Sunday. So price has actually gone bullish, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So price has actually been going bullish, right? So we expect it to actually still go bullish and at least hit a level of $14 that I've talked about. Possibly, if possible, hit a level of $15, which I think is very, very much possible. So now let's go to the week and 4 hour time frame. So we want to trade what we see and not what we think. So what can you see on this 4 hour time frame? You can see that this is an uptrend move. So if ahead we would want to go ahead and take this trade, I think we should also go ahead and go long by taking a buy movement, and we would want to close at a level where price has been reacting to previously multiple times. So now let's highlight this level fully so you'll be able to understand this. So this is a level that I'm watching out, which is a level of $14, which is 14.70. I am watching it. That is why I said we should hit a level of $14 today and possibly a level of $15 for today, which I'm not really sure. But one thing I'm sure is it will get to a level of $14, and I'm watching out for a level of $14, 14.70 by the way. So one of the reasons why I've highlighted this level here is we've gotten a reaction here. Same thing, price gave us a reaction, and also again at this level, price gave us a reaction. So I'm seeing Solana rolling up to this level. So I believe Solana will get to a level of 14.70. Maybe then it can now drop. So for today, let's watch out for a bullish move on Solana.